The steps taken by the Indian government to give the much needed boost to the mobile manufacturing sector has started yielding the desired result. Today, India's mobile phone exports are worth Rs 10,000 crore. This is evident from the fact that in December 2022, Apple became the first company from the country to export smartphones worth $1 billion in a month. Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for 2023 is mobile phone exports worth Rs 1 lakh crore, with mobile phones featuring in the top 10 exported category. Also, the government is taking all possible steps to broaden the electronic manufacturing ecosystem beyond mobile phones to increase global share in hearables and wearables segment, IT hardware, electronic components, etc. According to a study by electronics component makers body ELSINA, the demand for components in 2020-2021 was $32 billion for about $70 billion industry, and of this, barely $10 billion was manufactured locally, and that too with the majority of imported raw materials. In the past few years, we have seen that there has been an increased use of the mobile phones in India, along with the launch of the 5G services which have been launched recently. Also, electronic products have had a great impact on the lives of people of India, and digitally also they have given them the much needed boost.